Assalamualaikum everyone. Today's video is about adding references in a Word document in your assignments, research papers or thesis or any other document in which you need to mention the authentic sources. We will add references in a Word document using software EndNote. We will use software because managing references in lengthy documents by a software is really very easy. We will have a tutorial as well, so let's start. Why we add references? References add करना क्यों important है? We add references to increase the authenticity of the data, to increase the validity of the data. References may give credits of the data to its originator. जो बात जिस इंसान ने कही थी, if we add its reference तो वो उसको ही credit जाएगा. References are basically sources for your statements. They help the reader gain access to those sources. We have a number of software for adding references in Word document. They integrate with Word document. Two most commonly used software for adding references are number 1 EndNote and number 2 Mendeley. We will have tutorial of EndNote today. Let's start with the tutorial. We will take a Word document और उसके अंदर we will add references using EndNote. This is document of Word जिसके अंदर I will add references. You can check इस document के अंदर already कोई reference नहीं है. When we install EndNote तो इसका add-in Word में automatically यहाँ पे visible हो जाता है. And if it is not visible, what we will do is we will go in View, right click, Customize Quick Access Toolbar, Add-ins, go, tick mark this site while you write. Okay, the add-in will appear here. Now let's suppose I have to insert the reference at this point in my paragraph. What I will do is I will go in EndNote. This is how EndNote looks like when you open it. What I will do is first I will go in my group. I will right click, create group, and write the name of the group which is the name of my document. Try references. Okay. Now I will go in new reference here in the toolbar. This dialog box appears. What I have to do is I have to add author name, year name, title name of the research paper जिसका I have to add reference. That is way too lengthy. I will not do this. What I will do this is I will go to my research paper, select the title and all the details, right click, copy, go to Google Scholar, paste, so this is the research paper. Now I will click here, Cite, download. I will download this research paper in the EndNote format. See, it's downloaded. Now I will go in EndNote, click on import this, then I have to select EndNote import, choose, this one is my downloaded research paper. I will open it, then import. My research paper is being imported in EndNote. So this is the imported reference of my research paper. Right click it and now add reference to the created group. This was my group created. keep on adding your references this way and then add in your group, you can see all your added reference here. What I will do is now click on insert citation. This is the reference added. You can change its style from here, annotate it, numbered, whatsoever style you want. So this is the reference. In the same way, if I want to add reference here, what I will do is I will add reference here, then insert citation. As my research paper is same, so it shows that this reference is also taken from this research paper. If I will keep on adding my references, they will keep on appearing by the end of my document. Thank you. If you have any questions, please write down in the comment section below, and please subscribe to my channel. In case of any other queries, please contact on my email ID. Thank you.